Welcome to one of Carson City's most iconic architectural treasures. An exceptional French Victorian residence that captures the grandeur and craftsmanship of a bygone era. I'm Renan George with Chase International, and I am thrilled to take you inside the Wrinkle Mansion. Built between 1874 and 1876 for pioneer merchant Matthias Wrinkle, this palatial estate is a testament to old world artistry. Wrinkle, a German immigrant, first found success in California's goldfields and later expanded his fortune through mining in Virginia City. He eventually settled here in Carson City, where he became a prominent livestock dealer and a supplier to the booming mining and timber industries. To build this home, Wrinkle commissioned Charles H. Jones, a French school designer who worked with European craftsmen to ensure every detail met the highest standard. The result is a timeless work of architectural art. Step inside and you will find the original elegance of the home has been fully restored inside and out. The residence features fresh paint with 24-karat gold accents, and every room is adorned with hand-painted murals. Ornate decorative details, original ceiling fixtures, and vintage finishes highlight the thoughtful preservation throughout. The mansion is constructed of pressed brick, resting atop a 6-foot-high sandstone ashlar foundation. Stone sourced directly from Nevada State Prison Quarry. The brick came from the Carson Valley, while knot-free lumber was hand-selected from the pristine forests of Lake Tahoe. The layout offers 4 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 2 half baths, a kitchen, dining room, office, tea room, maid's quarters, and a front parlor. Modern updates include new cinema theater carpeting throughout, 6 separate AC units, a robust boiler heating system. Each room is individually zoned with its own lock and thermostat, making it ideal for private offices and commercial use. The home is being sold fully furnished. Every antique, every tea set, vintage linens, even a 12-foot Christmas tree and a 119-foot event tent with tables and chairs are included. Many of the furnishings were shipped over from the UK, adding to the authenticity and global character of the home. Zoned for multi-use, the Wrinkle Mansion offers tremendous flexibility. The exterior grounds feature a beautiful patio with 2 pergolas, ideal for entertaining or gatherings. The Wrinkle Mansion is not just a home. It's a landmark, it's a legacy, and a rare opportunity to own a piece of Nevada's history. Contact me today to schedule a tour of this remarkable property.